Maybe you've heard the term business playbook. So you might know what a playbook is in the sports context. It's a way that you organize the team and get everybody moving in the same direction so that you can win or play successfully. Well, it's kind of the same in a business context. In a business, your business playbook is the way that you get everyone in the company aligned and collaborating so that they do what they do even better than they would without instructions. So this is the policies, the processes, the procedures inside your business, the things that make your company unique, that make you stand apart and differentiate you from any kind of competitors or differentiate you from the places that your people could otherwise work. So as they get up to speed with your business, you hire people that go through this experience of learning to become part of your team, part of your culture, and just an effective contributor on your team. All of that knowledge can be found inside your business playbook.